Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. Today we will see how to draw a Pentagon process infographic. So here you can put in 6 points and this can be very useful when you are presenting startups or for slide deck, even for educational institutions. You can also include an academic process in it and use it to explain to your students. So let's see. Take a fresh new slide. In Insert, click on Shapes and select the Pentagon shape. Hold down the Shift key and draw the pentagon. Remove the shape outline and you can rotate the image. Now, the pentagon that we had in our infographic had rounded edges, but here we do not have. So we will see a small trick how we can introduce rounded edges. Right click on the pentagon, click on Format Shape, go to Line Fill, click on Solid Line. In this, let the color be the same for now and increase the width. In cap type, select round. In join type, select round. Now you will have a rounded edge pentagon. So your basic object is here. Now you need to insert the circles. So in insert, click on shape, select the circle. Again hold down the shift key and draw the circle. Remove the shape outline and give it some color. For now, just to see how much is it fitting. So this is quite long, so I'm going to shorten it a little so that it fits well. This is a good fit and I'm going to use it. I'm going to give it white color. I'm going to duplicate this. Give it a black color for now. And I'm going to reduce the size of this as well. So I have got my two circles here. And now I'm going to give them, both of them, a white fill. The gray fill for now, just to distinguish it. Now we need the arrows. Click on Insert. Select this arrow. Hold down the Shift key and draw the arrow. Remove the shape outline. Bring the arrow close to your shape and you can adjust its height. Select your hexagon first, then select your arrow. In Format, go to Merge Shapes and click on Union. And now you see you've got the arrowhead also in the rounded corners or edges. So this is your basic shape that is completed. Okay. Now we will give some shadow effects. So you're going to select the outer circle. Go to Shape Effects and click on Shadow. In Shadow, you are going to select the center one and start to increase the size or the blur. The shadow is mostly your choice, simply to make it 3D and give it some live effect to it. You can increase the distance if you want a little, and the blurring effect, and this is what I am happy with. So I feel this is a good way. Now I'm going to select the inner circle and here I'm going to give it the white color. Now you can see that I can't distinguish between the outer circle and inner circle, but once we give the shadow effects, both of them will be distinguishable. So I have chosen some other form of shadow here. You can select the same one also. Start increasing the blur and the transparency. So now you can see both of them are very distinguishable from each other. you are going to select all of them and group this object. So now this becomes 1 for now. You will adjust them to the center of the slide. You can also do that by bringing them here, aligned to the middle. So now your object is in the middle. Now we need to have 6 of them, so we are simply going to duplicate it. But when we duplicate, we rotate the object also. That is what is going to give us the pattern. Now I will select both of them and duplicate them. Here, again, both of them are already selected and I'm going to duplicate them. So you see, now I have got my figure registered. All of them are here. What I need to do now is align them together, bring them to the center. Going to go to format, align in the center, align in the middle. So we see that all of them have changed their positions, but we'll put them this way because this makes it look more effective, and here their orientation is also giving the right shape of the figure. So you've got these. Now what we are going to do is give them each different colors. So the first one was blue. I'm simply going to select all of them for now and shift them to the top so I can start coloring them. I'm going to select the second of it. Choose my hexagon first. In format shape, select the eyedropper and choose my color. And in this also, I will choose my color. So now you see I have got the basic color. The same I'm going to do here. You just have to make sure that since you have grouped all of them together, a single click is going to select the whole object and you may just color the whole thing together. So first select the grouped object and then click again on the pentagon. Then you can start coloring. We'll do the same for all the objects, obviously. So this is a separate color scheme that I have prepared, and this suits well also. The colors are very subtle and light. And this is always good when you are presenting something professional. Okay, so all my shapes are colored. Now I don't need these, so I'm going to remove them. I'm going to select all of my shapes and bring them to the center. So this is good enough. Now my basic object is done. I will start putting in my text. So there are two text boxes here that I've already prepared. I'm going to copy them and I'm going to start pasting them. So this is the orientation that I like, and I'm going to duplicate them. And all of them, as you can see, are in the same orientation and lining. I'll select the text and title for the bottom text. I'll paste it here, bring it to the position that I want, duplicate it, and again duplicate the other one. So I have got my basic shape here. I'll remove this extra. Okay, so I've got my basic shape here. Now I can introduce my emoticons or small symbols that I had collected as a representation of each of the process items that I want to show. These can be anything that you like, and you can simply put them here. So I had put them in the group, that's why they are together. I'll bring them here, adjust them to a place. The last one here, and this one has split up into a different object altogether. So I'm going to zoom it in so I can see all of them. And I'm going to shift them to the center right here. Okay, I'm going to choose these last one. It's too small, that's why I'm going to increase the zoom length, and here it's fitted. So we have got our shape here, and this seems complete. So this is how you can make a pentagonal infographic. I've also taught you a good trick of how to have rounded edges of the pentagon. You can use it for the hexagon also. You can use it for any type of polygon figure also. The same type of trick. So if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can put several requests on different kinds of infographics if you all want me to teach you. Thank you. See you again next time.